Alright, getting first gear. There we go. I don't think we've been on this trail yet. Hopefully it's good. Ooh. That's a big mud puddle. Ooh, I guess I'll go where Nick went. You got a little more speed on that. Oh my gosh, that was wet. That was deep. Well, so far this is not turning out very good. Oh boy. Ooh. Wheel jumped out of the rut. That could have been bad. This is not good. Hopefully you can see what I got stuck in. Alright, get some mud off my wheels so I can get some traction. Alright, I don't want to go too fast catching up with them, or I will go for a dirt bath. Alright, where'd they go? Did they go down? I don't see them. Okay, nope, I saw a glimpse of somebody that way. So I think they went this way. Alright. Now where'd they go? Did they go down? Okay, yes, they did. Good, I didn't lose them. I think I'll go this way. Kind of treacherous. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Looked worse than it was. There we go. Okay, now I'm back with the group. I'm glad I didn't fall. Yeah, the front tire slipped out of the deep rut. Luckily I was able to stop. Is this a trail? I guess it is. There's a drop. Whoa, there we go. Okay, I know where we are now. Engine to slow me down. Yeah, I'm not sure that's a great way to go. I think I'll observe a little bit before I commit. See how they're doing there. Well, I guess it looks alright. I thought this was like a creek. Ain't going good. Okay, well, see what happens. This is one we normally don't go on. Yeah, it's normally like that, but they've graded it out, at least part of it.